Good morning, dear students. Today, the topic that we are starting is linear inequalities and linear programming. Now, this chapter is common in ICSE, CBSE, and IGCSE, right? So, all three board students can study from this worksheet which we're going to discuss. Okay, so let's just start. Just a second. Okay, right. So, before starting with the worksheet, we need to understand some basics of this topic, right? So, inequalities means first we need to understand the sign of inequalities. Sign of inequalities. So basically we have three types of sign. This is called less than equal to, greater than equal to. This is called less than sign. This is called less than equal to, less than equal to. This is greater than, and this is called greater than equal to. Right? Okay. So let's just start with the question. First question. And sometimes you have to represent it on the number line. How to represent it in the number line? That I will show you in the question only. Right? Now, first question. The first question is the tough one. So whenever we have this type of question in inequality, we solve the left part and right part. Can you see the two circles? Left part and right part. We solve both these parts separately. So first we solve this part, 5 less than 3x plus 2, and then 3x plus 2 less than equal to 17. Okay, this is plus 2. When it go that side becomes minus. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now when I send this 3 this side, so 3 divided by 3 less than sign, right? So it means x is greater than 1. The mouth is open towards x. It means x is greater than 1. Right? Now we solve this part. 3x is equals to 17 minus 2, which is 15. So x less than 15 over 3, 5. So x is less than equal to 5. X is greater than 1 but smaller than equal to 5. So when I represent it on the number line, I draw a number line this like this. I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. We make arrow. Arrow means the number line is not stopping, it keep on going, right? Now it start from 1 and going towards greater, it says that greater than 1 but less than equal to 5, and if I combine this it will be written like this: x greater than 1 but smaller than equal to 5. So we open the balloon at 1. Why open? Because 1 is not included. But we dark the balloon at 5. Why dark here? Because 5 is included. So it is between 1 to 5. Like this. Understand? 1 to 5. Okay? Understand? Now next. 15 less than 3x minus 2 less than 9. So first we solve the left part. 15 less than, multiply 3 in the bracket, 3x minus 6. Then I solve the right part, 3x minus 2 less than 9. Now this is negative 6. When it goes that side becomes positive 6. 15 plus 6 less than 3x. 15 plus 6 is 21. Now if I take 3 in the denominator, so 21 divided by 3, x greater than 21 upon 3, which is 7. So it is coming x greater than 7. Now I solve this part. 3x minus 6 less than 9. So 3x, 9 plus 6, 15. So 3x less than 15. So x is less than 5. 15 divided by 3, 5. So it shows 5, x smaller than 5 and x greater than 7. Now many students make mistake in this type of inequality. They say x less than 5 and greater than 7. So first we draw a number line here. First we draw a number line. So this is my number line. If I draw, okay, I make arrow both side and I take number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So it says x greater than 7. You see, x greater than 7. So at 7 we have open balloon and it is going towards the right side of 7. And x smaller than 5, again at 5 open balloon and smaller than means towards the left of 5. Okay. So this will be my answer. Greater than 7, right side of 7, smaller than 5 means left side of 5. This is how we draw the number line. Clear? Okay. Now, next, question number 2a. The line 2y equals to x is drawn on the grid. As you can see, this is a linear programming question. This worksheet is of linear inequalities and linear programming. So we are discussing both the topics in a single worksheet, right? So line 2y equals to x graph is already plotted for you. Okay. Okay. On the grid, draw the graph of x, y plus x equals to 4. So they say draw the graph of y plus x equals to 4. Take x that side. Okay. And whenever they say plot the graph on the grid, I have to take minimum 3 points to plot in the graph paper. So if I take x0 in this equation, in place of x, if I put 0, I have to take value on my own. You can take any value of your choice. Okay, any value of your choice. But make sure that when you are taking the value, answer should not come in decimal. Because if the answer come in decimal, then it becomes difficult to plot in the graph paper, right? So if I put x0, y is 4. If you put y0, x4, and if you put x2, y2, right? So x0, y4, this is the point. Y0, x0, y4, this is the point. Y0, x4, this is the point. And x2, y2, this is the point. Now when you join these 3 points, the line should be a straight one. Please make sure that line should be the straight line. Now you see, when I produce this, it is a straight line. Okay. And what is the equation of this line? X plus y equals to 4. Then there is also, it is written y less than equal to 2. Means we have to draw one more graph for y equals to 2. So this is the line 2. So y equals to 2 means the line which is parallel to the x-axis and passing through 2. Okay, so the line which is parallel to x-axis and passing through 2 is line y equals to 2. So this is the line which is y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. Okay. Now this inequality came into existence, right? What is my first condition? X plus y less than equal to 4. Now you see here less than equal to sign is there. So solid line is there. If only less than hota, if only less than 4 is there, then I put the dotted line. Understand? If it is less than equal to, then I put the solid line. If it written only less than here, then I put the dotted line. That you need to understand. Okay. So x plus y less than 4 means the portion below of this line will be my answer. The portion below of this line. Whatever the portion below of this line will be part of the answer, right? Next, 2y greater than x means the portion above of this line. Above of this line. The portion above of this line. Y less than equal to 2 means the portion below this line. The portion below this line. Okay, and then x greater than equal to 0 means positive right side. So as you can see, the portion which is in the middle, this region satisfy all the condition. It is below this line, above this line, right side of it, right? So this portion which is forming in the middle, this one, this is my region R which satisfy all the conditions, right? Okay, so this is my region R. So this is how we do linear programming question. First we plot the graph and then we need to find the region which satisfy all the condition. Sometimes they say shade the region which satisfy the condition. Sometimes they say shade the portion which do not satisfy the condition. So you need to understand, right? If they say shade the region which satisfy the condition, then you shade that portion. And sometimes they say leave that portion unshaded which satisfies. So you have to shade everything else except that portion, right? So be careful on that. Okay, next question. Okay, again this question is from linear programming. Now this type of question can also be asked here. What is there? In the previous question, as you can see, we have solved the inequalities, right? And we have done linear programming question. We find the shaded region. In this question, you have to find the inequalities which satisfy the unshaded region R. You see the region R in the middle. This one, I have to find the three inequalities which satisfy this condition. Okay. Now, the first is passing through line x equals to 1. This is x equals to 1 line parallel to y-axis, and this is right side of it, right side of this. So this is x equals to 1 line, and this is right side of this. So first inequality is x greater than equal to 1. Understand? X greater than equal to 1. Now another line is this one. I need to find the equation of this line. So the coordinate of this is 4 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 4, right? So 2 points are there. I can apply 2-point formula in coordinate geometry, or you can apply slope intercept form y is equals to mx plus c to find the equation of this line. So if I put x0 y4, so here we have y4 and x0. So the value of c is coming 4 from here, and if I put x4 and y0, so y0, and if I put x4, c already calculated 4, so 4m equals to negative 4, m is coming negative 1, right? So I got m and I got c. So what will be the equation? Y is equals to negative x plus 4, or if I take that negative x that side, y is equals to negative x plus 4, because my equation is y is equals to mx plus c. So m is coming negative 1 and c is 4. Take x that side, x plus y equals to 4. Now if you see, this shaded region is below of this line, so the second inequality will be x plus y less than equal to 4. Why less than? Because this is below of this. And next, the portion which is above of this line. So y greater than equal to 0, because this is x-axis. At x-axis, equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. So this portion is above of x-axis, so y greater than equal to 0. So these are the three inequalities which satisfy my condition, right? Next, question number 4. Solve and represent solution on number line. Now this question is from linear inequality. So mixed questions are there. Okay, take 3 this side. 17 minus 3 less than equal to 7x. 17 minus 3 is 14. So x is 14 over 7, means x greater than equal to 2. Now we solve these two parts. First this part and then this part. So 3 less than equal to 2x plus 5. 5 go this side. 3 minus 5 less than equal to 2x, and this is 2x plus 5 less than 7. 5 go that side. 7 minus 5. Okay, so I'm solving both the equations simultaneously, right? So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Now 2 go in the denominator, so minus 2 divided by 2. So x is greater than equal to minus 1. And here 7 minus 5, 2x is less than 7 minus 5 is 2. So x is less than 1. Okay, so my answer is x greater than equal to minus 1. and less than 1. Okay, so -1, 0, 1, 2. So for the second one, greater than equal to -1 but less than 1. So 1 is not included but -1 included, and both side arrow. Okay, and this is x greater than equal to 2. So when I draw the number line here, okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So x greater than equal to 2 means 2 included and to the right side of it. Okay, to the right side of it. Clear? Next, question number 7. C part of also is also there for this question. Okay, so C part is 7 less than equal to 3m minus 2 less than 15. So first again we solve the left part. So 7 less than equal to multiply 3 in the bracket. So 3m minus 6, and if we solve the second part, 3m minus 6 less than 15. Okay, 6 go that side, 7 plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Right, so m is greater than equal to 13 upon 3, and this go that side, 3m. 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6 is 21. So m will be less than 7. So 13 over 3 means 4.33, something 4.3, and this is less than 7. When I draw the number line, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So 4.3 is greater than 4. This is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, somewhere here, right? From here 4.3 until 7. 7 is not included, right? Okay, so I'm leaving fifth question A part for you to try. Okay, I hope you can do it. If not, then we will discuss. Okay, now do the second part of this. Out of all the given 4 inequalities, one of this is already given, y less than equal to x plus 1. Okay, okay, and find the other 3 inequalities. Okay, now if you see y less than equal to x plus 1, so this is dotted line. It means the inequality that represent has only less than sign, not greater than, because the region R is below it, right? So you need to see which portion is there. The portion is below of this line, above of this line, below of this line, and above of this line. This is my region R. Okay, so first inequality is this line is parallel to x-axis, right? So this equals to y greater than equal to 3 over 2, because the line is exactly between 1 and 2. So exactly between 1 and 2 is 1.5, and this is a solid line, and the region R is above of it, right? So y greater than equal to 3 over 2, right? Now we find this dotted line. There are 2 points here. This is 0 comma 3, and this is 6 comma 0. Apply y is equals to mx plus c, y is equals to mx plus c. If you put y 3 and m 0, so c is coming 3 from here. Now put here in place of y 0 and in place of x 6, and c already calculated 3. So negative 6m equals to 3. So 3 will be, m will be minus 3 over 6, that is minus half. So what will be the equation? Y is equals to mx plus c. M is minus half and c is 3. So this is my equation, y minus half x plus 3. Now you see the portion is below of this line. So we write y less than minus half x plus 3. Okay, this is my second inequality. Okay, now we find this one. Okay, so this is passing through origin 0 comma 0 and 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3, 2 points. So again y is equals to mx plus c, right? If you put x 0 and y 0, so c is also coming 0. Okay, and y is equals to mx plus c. Now second condition is when x4 y is 3. When x4 y is 3 and this is 0, so m is 3 over 4. So what is the equation? Y is equals to mx plus c. M is 3 over 4 and c is 0. Cross multiply 4y equals to 3x, or we can say y is 3 over y, 4y equals to 3x, or 4y minus 3x equals to 0. Right? Now you see the region R is above of this line, so it will be 4y minus 3x greater than equal to 0. So I got the three inequalities. The fourth one is already plotted, y is equals to x plus 1. So this will be y equals to x plus 1 line. Okay, this is y equals to x plus 1. So I got the three inequalities. Y greater than equal to 3 by 2, y less than minus half x plus 3, and 4y minus 3x greater than equal to 0. Right? Next. Okay. Now, sixth question. Now, one of the question I am leaving you for to try. Okay. So how to find the gradient? The formula of gradient I am giving. First part I'll do it for you because gradient is something which we haven't discussed, but you have studied it coordinate geometry. So this point is 0, 1, and this point is 5, 3.5, because it is exactly between 3 and 4. So the formula for gradient y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. You apply gradient formula 3.5 minus 1 upon 5 minus 0. So 3.5 minus 1 is 2.5 upon 5. Now 2.5 times 1 2. So m is 1 upon 2. So we got the gradient, right? Now this is the shaded region R. You have to find the equation for all the three inequalities, right? This one I'm leaving for you to try. One is already given, right? This is already given, x plus y equals to 4. You have to find these two. I have given you a hint. Okay, now try. Okay, now next B part of this one I do for you. The region R is defined by the inequalities x greater than equal to 2 but smaller than 8. So greater than equal to 2 means the line is passing through x equals to 2 and x equals to 8. This is x equals to 2 and this is x equals to 8. Right? This is x equals to 2, and then y greater than equal to 5 but less than 10. So this is y equals to 10 and this is y equals to 5. Okay, so this is x equals to 2, this is x equals to 8, this is y equals to 10, this is y equals to 5. And then x plus y less than equal to 10, right? So x plus y equals to 10, plot 3 points minimum to plot it in the graph paper. Okay, so x, y, if I put x0, y10, if I put y0, x10, and if I put x6, so y will be 4. Okay, so x6, y will be 4. This is the point. These three are my point. You join it. This is x plus y equals to 10. Means now you see greater than 2 but smaller than 8. Means right side of it but left side of it. Below 10 means below y equals to 10 but above y equals to 5, and greater means above. So this portion which you can see in the middle satisfy all my condition. We have to shade it as well. So I shade this portion in the middle. This is the portion in the middle is my answer. Okay, this is the portion which is in the middle is my answer, which satisfy all the condition. Clear? Right. Next, question 7. Okay. Now what is there here in this question? First we have to solve this inequality. So what we do? We solve this inequality. I take 2t this side, 5t, this is minus 2t. When it comes this side becomes plus 2t, plus 23 less than 17. Now 23 go that side, 5t plus 2t becomes 70, and 17 minus 23, 17 minus 23 is negative 6. So t should be less than negative 6 over 7, right? If you calculate 6 over 7 in decimal, 6 over 7, negative 0.85. Okay, so when I represent it on the number line, so this is 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on, and this is 1 right side. Now x less than negative 0.85. So negative 0.85 will be somewhere here between 0.8 and 0.9, and the balloon should be open and it is going towards the left side, this one. Okay, so this is open balloon, right? This point is negative 6 over 7. Okay, and left side of it. Okay, now shaded region is defined by 3 inequalities. This is my shaded region R. There are 3 inequalities. So this line is vertical and passing through 5. So this is x equals to 5, but this portion is left of it. So less than equal to 5. Now this is passing through 3 line and parallel to x-axis. So y, and this is above of it. So y greater than equal to 3. Now to solve this, I need to find minimum 2 points. So one x0, y1, 1 point, and this is x6, y7. I got the 2 point. Apply y is equals to mx plus c, right? So when I put x1, y will be 0. Okay. Okay, so we are getting c equals to negative m from here. And then second condition, when I put y7, then m will be 6, x will be 6, and c is negative m as you have already calculated. So 6m minus m, so it will be 5m. So m is 7 upon 5. So c will be minus 7 upon 5. So what will be my equation? Y is equals to 7 upon 5 x minus 7 upon 5. 5 is common in the denominator. 7x minus 7 upon 5. 5 goes this side, 5y. Or we can just write 1 upon 5, 7x minus 7. So we can take 7 also, 7 upon 5 in the bracket x minus 1. Right, and you see the portion is below of this. So the next third condition is y less than equal to 7 upon 5 x minus 1, because this is below of this line, right? Okay, and the next inequality, first we solve this part. Minus 5 less than equal to 3x, 3 go in the denominator, so x greater than minus 5 over 3, and 3x less than equal to 6, x less than 2. So when I represent it on the number line, no need because they didn't say here, so this is my answer, right? Clear? So x greater than minus 5 by 3 and x less than equal to 2. I hope you understand how to do linear inequalities and linear programming question. Okay, so I am sharing this worksheet with you in the chat link. Okay, whatever you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.